Hello, hi friends, hi everyone. So today I wanna show you Power Slides. I am Jayan from quickpreview.in and let me show you the product Power Slide. So Power Slide or Power Slide Club is a library of videos, of slides, of infographics and animated stuffs. Okay, let me show you the members area firstly. This is the members area. I have used it and I wanna say you that the product will be given to you from this website or from this page totally free. Once you have just get the tool from this website, exactly, you can click on this button and this button will send to you to the sales page. This is the sales page of the product, and from sales page you can get the tool within just $27 for the launch period only, and you have to apply this coupon also. I will also obviously be clearing you the coupons, but that is the thing, this is the only coupon, so I am clearing you that you have to use this coupon to get $27, get the product inside $27. And if you want to get it $33, you can also try that after the launch. That will be obviously going up to $33 and 50 and 0.5 cents. Okay, so basically 50 cents. And basically the thing is, this product is all about a library, so there is nothing much to show you. But inside front end, what you are getting, so inside front end obviously you are not getting the gold library or platinum library. So let me show you how gold library or platinum library opens. So this is the platinum library. Basically inside upsell 1 you will be given platinum library. Inside front end you will be given gold library, and inside gold library these are the slides that are copyright free slides, and you can use it as shorts. If you are not doing marketing or if you are not selling stuffs inside online, you can do so very easily by implementing short via just sending shorts or uploading shorts inside YouTube, inside Instagram. You can upload the same video as calling it reels, just giving the tag shorts or reels respectively, and you can also upload that on Pinterest. I am telling you cause I am doing that, and still I have not got any sale. I am speaking truly, but I have got so many visitors, and when visitor is coming, there is a very high probability that the sale will be obviously coming. Okay, so that is the thing I want to say. This is the library, and from library you can see the product. And also if you want to know more about the product, you can also play the model video or the some samples. Okay, you can also check out the sales page. Inside sales page there are so many stuffs packed up, and you can think of that you are getting a premium stuff inside a very cheap price. So these are the stuffs I was talking. You should go through it before getting into the tool. Before buying the tool, you should go through all of the videos or some of them to know more about this tool. Then you should purchase it. Before blaming anyone, you should go through it. I want to say you that. Okay, so this is a sample, and I highly recommend this tool for anyone who just want to have visitor inside any of their stuffs. And from visitor I mean any kind of visitors, like YouTube visitors, like Instagram visitors, Facebook visitors, like visitors for any kind of product. Like everything is pretty much separated inside this tool. For marketing analysis 3 videos are available, for beginning 3 videos are available, and inside platinum library there are more videos. Okay, so everything is totally separated, and you can use all of the videos inside this tool. That's all I want to say about this tool. I don't want to waste your much time. So these bonuses comes by default with the front end. Total 29 bonuses. Mistakenly I have written here 30 bonuses. Basically 29 bonuses will be given to you, pal. And these are the 29 bonuses. This is still loading, so let it come. Okay, I don't know, maybe the internet is a little bit slow, but cause it is monsoon going here inside India. Okay, so these are the products that will be given to you inside the front end, and there are some bonuses that comes with the product totally by default with the product, that is called as vendor bonus. And if I want to say about the upsell bonus, then I will like to explain that inside upsell bonus you will be given 400 plus tabs totally free automatically with this product. Once you have just got any of the upsells from going through this button, like given on this page. Okay, buttons given on this page, so you can get the OTO 1, OTO 2, or any of them. But you have to go through front end, then you can only access the OTOs. So you have to click on that and go to the sales page, get the tool, then you can decide that if you want to get the upsell or not. So that's all I want to say, and that is the thing. Have a good day. Thank you. This is me, Chayan Sarkar, and bye bye.